Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the breathtaking world of supercars with the 2026 McLaren 720S. This car is not just about raw speed, it's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and precision performance. So let's explore what makes the 2026 720S one of the most thrilling machines on the road. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 McLaren 720S continues its tradition of aerodynamic excellence. The design is sleek and sculpted, with every curve serving a purpose. The teardrop-shaped cabin and flowing body lines aren't just for show. They're the result of intense wind tunnel testing for optimal airflow. The new LED headlight design integrates with the front air intakes, giving it a sharper, more futuristic look. Dihedral doors add drama and function, improving access and enhancing the car's exotic appeal. Lightweight carbon fiber is used extensively across the body, making the car look aggressive while staying incredibly light. Step inside, and the cabin of the 720S is just as impressive. The interior blends performance-driven layout with a high level of luxury. The minimalist dashboard features a driver-centric digital display that flips depending on the driving mode. Premium materials like Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber trim make every surface feel upscale and purposeful. The seating is low and supportive, designed to keep you in place whether you're cruising down the highway or taking corners at the track. The infotainment system is responsive and clean, with McLaren's bespoke interface offering key performance data and media control at your fingertips. When it comes to performance, the 2026 720S is absolutely blistering. Under the hood is a 4.0 twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing 740 horsepower. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds and has a top speed north of 212 miles per hour. The updated suspension system and McLaren's proactive chassis control ensure you stay glued to the pavement, while offering surprising comfort for a super. The steering is razor-sharp and the brakes deliver incredible stopping power with absolute confidence. As for pricing, the 2026 McLaren 720S doesn't come cheap. The base model starts around $310,000, and with customization options and packages, that figure can rise significantly. But for those seeking a top-tier supercar experience, the value is undeniable. That wraps up today's in-depth look at the 2026 McLaren 720 South. Let me know in the comments what you think about this incredible machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.